If you've lived in Alberta for any period of time, you know the weather can change in a hurry. What you might not know is the temperature can have a big impact on your tires, which in turn can affect the overall performance of your vehicle. Alberta is classified as a severe climate, and with temperatures ranging from the plus 30s in the summer to the minus 40s with wind chill in the winter, not hard to see why.
The rule of thumb, for every 7 degrees you drop, you're going to lose 1 pound of pressure.
That's right. Your tires lose about 1 psi, which is pounds per square inch, for every 7-degree drop in temperature. So let's say it's a nice winter day, a balmy 0 degrees, but the next morning it's a frosty minus 25. You likely just lost 3 or 4 psi overnight. This can set off tire monitor alerts, making people take their vehicles in for service when they don't really need to.
Huge amount of people come in with that issue thinking that they might have a leak, things like that. So the best thing again to do is maybe once a week just adjust your tire pressures, make sure they're at the manufacturer's recommended pressures.
This is key. Driving on improperly inflated tires can have nasty results.
One massive thing is that people will probably have uneven wear and tear.
It actually can start to take away from the stability of the vehicle if the pressures get down too low. Plus, if you hit a bump, your tire doesn't give the rim the protection from the road surface.
I've actually seen the front of a rim ripped off because of underinflation. So what happened is the tire slowly deflated on the highway and then the tire just ripped apart and then off came the rim.
Well, that doesn't sound fun. You can also be at an increased risk for a blowout, have a slower stopping time, and worse gas mileage.
For every 5 to 6 psi, it's about 10% difference on your fuel economy, which is huge.
And never just eyeball it. Always make sure to get an accurate reading with a tire gauge, and then put the proper amount of air in for your specific vehicle.
Information is usually located on the door jamb of the driver's side, so it's really important that people know where this is situated because not all the time is the current tires that they have on their vehicle will actually specify what's needed.
It may seem simple, but maintaining proper tire pressure often gets overlooked by drivers. Remember to check often if you want to avoid problems down the road. If you have any questions about tire pressure, please contact me.